गोवा एनर्जी डेव्हलपमेंट एजन्सी गोंयांत सौर उर्जा प्रकल्प आनी स्किमी हाताळटा. एके वाटेन मोदी सरकार सौर उर्जेचे उपेग वाडोवचो म्हूण एकार एक फर्मान काडटा, जाल्यार गोवा एनर्जी डेव्हलपमेंट एजन्सी कडेन धड स्टाफूच ना.
GADA has received almost 200 applications from different installers amounting to around 10 megawatts. So far, out of which 40 have been already connected, which is to around 3 megawatts. Now there is a RPO. MNRE has given guidelines to all the states, and Goa has got a RPO of 150 megawatts to be installed up to 2022. We have to reach about 20 megawatts by 1920 financial year. So we are hardly 6 months away. So not 6 months, around 9 months away. But we have just achieved 3 megawatts. So there is a huge scope. 10 megawatts applications are already received with GADA. During the election, especially now recently election, almost 45 days, the entire solar mission was dead because the nodal officers what we are having for south and north, they were also on election duty. There is no specific defined team of solar, but which is that a very small team. We must have a dedicated team and a fatter team. We should have a fat team. We have to reach 150 megawatts by 2022. And as an association, president of association, I would like to appeal to the government that to avail or just to comply with the RPO of the MNRE. We should not buy solar power generation from other states. We have to manufacture it in Goa. In fact, town and country planning also should make a regulation that particular percentage of the power generation what you are having as a sanction load must compulsorily about 30% should be of solar. That will make a lot of difference.
गोवा एनर्जी डेव्हलपमेंट एजन्सीची सुत्रां सांगता ते प्रमाण सरकार सध्या सौर उर्जा रूफटॉपाचे अर्ज घेता. इतल्या मोठ्या प्रमाणात सौर उर्जा तयार करपाक सध्या तरी कसलोच प्लान ना. हे परिस्थितीत केंद्रान दिल्ले टार्गेट गोंय सरकाराक कशें गाठतलो हो मोठो प्रस्न. नाजाल्यार बोल्सांतले पयशे घालून दुसऱ्या राज्या कडल्यान सौर उर्जा सक्तीन विकती घेवपाचो गोंया मुखार एकूच पर्याय. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी वांगडा सावियो डायस.